Have you gone and purchased a set of these keys, the removal keys for multi-plugs? Specifically, a lot of people would be buying these for the motorbike type plugs. Little spade clips that go into them, and you want to remove them because somebody buggered up the wire at the end of it. Usually because they cut them right at the end of them and then try and join it. So you need to pull them out and you need to rewire or resolder the bit into it and push that clip back in. Very straightforward task, but when you first get those set of keys, you have a go at it, you think you're doing it right, and you just throw them all on the floor and say, this is not working for me, this is a pain in the arse, these things are a load of rubbish. Well, you need to watch this video because I've done a total breakdown of this. I've taken one out of a vehicle, I've cut it open, I've had a good look at it, and I will know exactly how it works, and it's very, very simple. So keep watching. So first things first, let's see how they actually work so you know what's going on. Inside there will be a little space for you to put your tool into. Usually a little slot or a cutout, which would be that there. And as you put your tool into it, it reaches the plastic, because there's a little plastic ridge right in the middle of these multi-connectors where the little prong that pokes out on them clicks into, such as this. So we're just going to put this one in. You push it in. This is how they would do it, the manufacturers. It gets pushed in and you hear the click. That is now clicked right in there. You can't pull it out. Now most people will be getting their keys and they will be poking it in there underneath it to try and get that little tang to close up. That's great. You can do that to get it closed up, and you can feel where it hits the plastic. The trouble is, it will not allow it to be pulled out, even though it's up flat. It's because the plastic, as you pull this, because the plastic's a little bit wider, the tang will not slip over it. No matter how many times you keep trying and pushing and pulling with, I've seen them on the internet, yanking them out this end and going mad this end. That won't work. If you need to force something, you're not doing it right. So that is why I broke this down and I cut it open and I had a good look inside, pulled one out and just sort of sat here thinking how it works. So the way you need to do it is you need to get the tang closed when your key goes in, and it just pushes that down. So it will allow it to slip. But the point is, as you are up against the plastic and as you pull that, the tang opens up and it just hits the plastic and locks. There are a couple of ways that you can do this. Once you want to get that clip out, now to get the tang to actually close up a little bit more, use your thicker one or the wider key. Just push it in till you feel where the plastic is. Draw it back a touch and just close that tang up by giving it a little wiggle. So that'll help close the tang up. So then get your thin one, put it in, you'll feel the plastic and wiggle it until there, and it just pokes out. Pretty straightforward really, isn't it? Yeah, so we're going to do it with this one with the bit of wire. I'll push the tang out. We'll pop that in now. Clicks in. That's it, clicked. That's in now. So what I would do is get a thicker one, the one that actually fits that slot, which will be so many of them. It's here somewhere. That one. So we get that one first. We put it in. You'll feel the plastic, but come back a touch and just give it a wiggle. And a sort of a little bend up. You're just bending that tang up. Once you've done that, get a thin one. That one should do. And put it under again till you feel the plastic. Draw it back and just give it a wiggle until you can get it over the plastic. And there it is. It's just come out nice and easy. And there you have it. And that's the way to do it. Forget all that pulling and shoving and cursing and going mad. You have to bend that little tang up against the rest of the spade clip. That's with your wide one. And then get your thin one in and create a bridge to go across the plastic. And it should just pop out. And you've seen it done there by me. And believe me, I've been cursing over this until I broke it down and had a good look at what you have to do. Hope that's helped some of you out, and if it has, I'd appreciate a like. Thanks a lot.